Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Netspend account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create a Netspend account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Netspend create account like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the Netspend prepared account. Click over there, and on the first tab we are on the home page of Netspend account. You can also sign up from over here, but to sign up more efficiently and see more details, you can see the sign up now button available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign up now, and on this page you'll be required to enter your first name over here like this, and your last name, and enter your street address with your apartment number. For me it will be just this one for now, and the zip code 1001. Enter your street address and apartment accordingly. Enter your email address over here, and after entering your email, you can see you can also choose the services provided by Netspend. If you want none of these, click on none of these at the time, and first review the fees associated with your card over here, whichever card you want to take from or create on Netspend. And after that, after reviewing card, let's click on I've reviewed the fees and click on get my card to go through a procedure to confirm your sign up process on Netspend. And there guys, this is how you create a Netspend account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.